Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying Xl6 supports Google Maps and that you have an API key ready. This saves wasted steps later. Once logged into Google Cloud, enable Maps JavaScript API and geocoding API so Xl6 can render maps and resolve addresses. Then open Xl6, navigate to add-ins or extensions, and install or enable the Google Maps connector. Paste the API key when prompted. Doing this upfront ensures authorization, prevents quota errors, and lets you immediately start mapping data inside. Now import your spreadsheet and prepare addresses. Split street, city, state, zip into clear columns so geocoding is accurate. In Xl6 mapping panel, choose the address column or existing lat/long. Select marker style, clustering, or a heat map depending on density. When you run geocoding, watch for mismatches. Correct ambiguous entries and rerun only those rows to save quota. Once coordinates appear, layer filters or conditional formatting so your map displays meaningful patterns rather than raw pins. Finish by customizing pop-ups and the legend, choosing an appropriate zoom and default center so users immediately see context. Export your map as an image, KML, or create a shareable link, and then save the Xl6 workbook to preserve map settings. If something goes wrong, check API quota and billing first, then confirm CORS and key restrictions. Re-authenticate the connector if necessary. These steps finalize your map and resolve common problems quickly, letting you present or share a polished, interactive map.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.